The process we would go through when you present as a new patient for the free consultation, we're going to sit down and discuss what you believe your needs are. If you're just missing one tooth, then we'll talk about replacing that single tooth. If you're missing multiple teeth or have no teeth at all, there are different procedures that we would follow to get you back to a functioning point. We would then take what's called a CBCT scan, which allows me to see your bone in a 3D image so we can determine where we can safely locate the implants, avoiding vital structures. And it just allows us, it guides us through the procedure of placing the implant. Again, it's a small pilot hole is then drilled and the implant is placed into that site, and it will be tight. And we'll either put a temporary crown or temporary bridge, or your denture may be delivered in the same day. If you feel that you are a candidate for an implant, you have a missing tooth or a denture that's bothering you, please give us a call and we would love to give you a free consultation.